Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Sales Cloud in Salesforce, key features of Sales Cloud workflow and benefits of Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud is one of the core offerings in Salesforce. It is designed to help companies manage their sales processes effectively. It provides tools and functionalities to track customer relationships, sales pipeline, and deals, enabling sales teams to close deals faster and more efficiently. Sales Cloud is built on the Salesforce platform and integrates with various Salesforce features to streamline business processes and enhance productivity. Key feature: first, we are going to see lead management, lead capture and track leads. Sales Cloud allows us to capture and track leads from various resources, including websites, emails, and social media. Lead scoring and assignment: automatically assign leads to sales representatives based on defined criteria and prioritize them based on factors such as lead score. Lead conversation: once a lead is qualified, it can be easily converted into an account, contact, and opportunity. For example, a potential customer fills out a form on the website to request more information about the product. So, customer is filling the form to get more information for that particular product. So in the key feature, second we are going to see opportunity management, opportunity identification, identifying opportunities and preventing duplicate leads. Track deals: Sales Cloud helps us to manage all stages of the sales process from identifying potential customers to closing deals. Pipeline visibility: sales representative and managers can see all ongoing opportunities in the pipeline and forecast sales more accurately. Stage tracking: monitor opportunities at different stages like qualification, proposal, negotiation, and identify in the sales process. In the key feature, next we are going to see account and contact management. 360-degree view: get a complete view of customers by tracking all interactions, communication, and deals related to them. Relationship management: manage relationships with existing customers, including tracking their support, needs, and upsell, cross sell opportunities. Integration: Sales Cloud integrates with email like Outlook, Gmail, and phone systems to log customer interactions automatically. Next, in the key feature, activity management, task and events, track to do items and meetings related to leads, contacts, and opportunities. Email integration: send and track emails directly from Sales Cloud, ensuring all interactions are logged in the system. Calendar integration: schedule meetings and syncs them with the calendar to ensure seamless communication. Key feature: next we are seeing reports and dashboards. Custom reports: sales team can create reports to track performance such as lead conversion rates, win rates, and sales by region. Dashboard visualizes key metrics in real time to track the health of our sales pipeline and forecast future sales. Pipeline analysis: analyze trends, performance against targets, and other KPIs to drive sales strategies. Next, in key feature, collaboration, Chatter, a social collaboration tool within Salesforce that allows team members to share updates, documents, and knowledge in real time. File sharing, share files related to accounts, opportunities, or deals to ensure everyone is on the same page. Offline capabilities, work offline and sync data once the connection is restored. Sales Cloud workflow, lead capture, campaign generates the lead through a web form. Next, lead qualification. The sales rep reviews and moves it through the sales process. Next, lead conversion. Once the lead is qualified, it is converted into an account, contact, and opportunity. Opportunity management moves through various stages such as qualification, needs analysis, proposal, and negotiation. Sales forecasting. Managers use real time dashboards and reports to monitor the sales pipeline and forecast future revenue based on the current opportunities. Deal closing. When the opportunity is won, the deal is closed and the opportunity is marked as closed one. Post sales engagement. After the deal is closed, post sales services such as support are managed using Service Cloud. Benefits of Sales Cloud. Centralized data. All customer and deal related information is stored in one place, accessible to the entire sales team. Increased productivity. Automate routine tasks such as data entry, lead assignment, and follow ups, allowing representative to focus on selling. Better forecasting, real time insights into the sales pipeline help with accurate sales forecasting and decision making. Collaboration, teams can collaborate more effectively through chatter, ensuring everyone is aligned on customer strategies. Mobility, access important data from anywhere, allowing sales reps to stay productive. Thank you.